Okay, today I'm going to show you how to tie a figure eight knot here. You just put it over top of your other piece, then you wrap it around like so. Then you put it back through the loop, and there you go, you have a figure eight knot. Now here's a little bit different angle on it, you can see it more. Wrap it around again, back through the loop, and there's your figure eight. And it'll come up right here in slow motion so you can get a good look at it. Around the other piece of rope and back through the loop. Pull it tight. Now there's several different ways to tie this. This is one of the easier ways. You'll also see people doing things like throwing the figure eight like this. I did it on the first try right here. You throw it like that and you get the figure eight knot. Then I realized I had the same color shirt as the rope, so I changed shirts and did it again so you could see it better. And that actually took more than just one try. That took like 2 tries. So just keep practicing it, and it's not that hard to learn. You could probably learn it in half an hour, maybe even less. So one more time, you wrap it around and back through the loop like that, and there you go. And here's just a couple clips of the clip of me trying to do it. It took me more than one time, as you'll see here. Took me 3 tries to get it, but I've got it now. I practiced some more after I finished filming this, so there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.